Hello students, this is Adarsh Patak, social science teacher. Today we will discuss the chapter number 2 of history, the earliest societies. This is the part first. Okay. First of all, what is prehistory? So prehistory is the earliest period in the history of humans when they did not know how to read or write. All our information about this period comes from fossils such as bones and skeleton and artifacts such as tools, cave paintings and pottery. Since no written records or manuscripts are available, our knowledge about the prehistoric period is very limited. Prehistory ended at different times in various places. When people learned to write, let us read about early humans in prehistoric times. प्री इतिहास का ऐसा समय है जिसके बारे में कोई लिखित जानकारी प्राप्त नहीं है और इस काल की जानकारी के लिए हमारे पास जो अर्ली ह्यूमंस के बोन हैं, उनके स्केलेटन है या जो कुछ खिलौने पाए गए हैं, पेंटिंग्स या मिट्टी के बर्तन पाए गए हैं, उन्हीं से हमको जानकारी मिलती है. Life in the prehistoric period. Modern human beings, that is Homo sapiens, first appeared on the earth about 2 lakhs years ago. Scientists believe that they evolved or developed from homolins. Hominins were not humans beings, but they had characteristics similar to humans. Hominins could walk, stand erect, and knew the art of making fires. They don't exist anymore, but they lived on earth for many thousands of years. ये इस समय जो मॉडर्न ह्यूमन हम लोग देखते हैं, ये होमो सेपियंस की प्रजाति है और ये लगभग 2 लाख साल पहले अर्थ पर अपीयर्ड हुई. वैज्ञानिकों का मानना है कि ये जो अर्थ मानव है, ये सबसे पहले होमिनिन्स से प्रकट हुआ. होमिनिन्स मानव नहीं थे, लेकिन मानव की तरह ही दिखने वाली एक प्रजाति थी. ये सीधा चल सकते थे और ये आग जलाने की कला इनको आती थी, ये वॉक कर सकते थे. ओके, लेकिन ये आज के जैसे ह्यूमन है उतना डेवलप नहीं थे. When human beings appeared, they learned how to adapt to their challenging environment. They knew how to hunt and how useful fire was. They had learned all these from their early predators, the hominins. Let us see how these people lived. During the prehistoric period, life was very different from what we can imagine today. The early humans did not know how to grow their own food. Moreover, they had to protect themselves from wild beasts and predators as well as rain and icy winters. प्रीहिस्टोरिक पीरियड के जो आदमी थे उसका जीवन बहुत ही टफ था, जैसा कि आज हम लोग इमेजिन करते हैं, इनसे काफ़ी ज़्यादा टफ था. इनको अपने आप को जंगली जानवरों से, ठंडक से बचाना पड़ता था. अर्ली ह्यूमंस वर नोन एज हंटर गैदरर्स. दे हंटेड एनिमल्स फॉर देयर मीट एंड गैदर्ड फ्रूट्स, रॉक्स, हनी, berries, nuts, etc. from the forest. Early humans were nomadic. They moved from place to place in search of more food and water. When the animals that they hunted moved to distant places, the early humans, being dependent on them, were compelled to move with them. They also moved from place to place to escape the harsh climatic condition. जो अर्ली ह्यूमंस थे वो हंटर गैदरर्स थे और नोमैडिक पीपल भी थे. वो एक जगह से दूसरे स्थान पर भोजन और पानी की तलाश में जाया करते थे. In the prehistoric era, humans lived in caves and small primitive huts made of twigs, logs, and animals' skin. They stitches animal hide and barks to make clothes. Early humans also used a variety of tools made of stones, sticks, and bones to protect themselves from wild animals, to hunt animals, and chop trees, etc. जो प्री हिस्टोरिक मैंस थे वे झोपड़ियों में रहते थे और घास फूस से, एनिमल्स की स्किन से अपनी झोपड़ियों को बनाते थे. ओके, और पत्थर के पतली नीडल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर से वे एनिमल्स की स्किन को सील करके उसको उससे झोपड़ियों को बनाते थे. ओके, स्टोन टूल्स. The main tools used by early humans were made of stone. Stone was used because it is easily available in nature. Stone was hard enough to be used as a weapon and could be shaped or sharpened into different size the purpose it was being used for. The predominant use of stone tools has led archaeologists and historians to term this period as a stone age. ओके, अर्ली ह्यूमंस स्टोन टूल्स का यूज़ करते थे क्योंकि स्टोन पर्याप्त मात्रा में नेचर में उपलब्ध था, और स्टोन टूल्स यूज़ करने की वजह से इस पीरियड का नाम स्टोन एज कहा जाता है। स्टोन टूल्स वर एक्सट्रीमली यूजफुल एंड वर यूज फॉर हंटिंग एनिमल्स, कटिंग मीट, चॉपिंग ट्रीज, स्कारपिंग skins and barks, and also for making tools from bones and sticks. They were also used to clear forest and cut wood. This timber was then used as firewood and was also used to make houses and implements. Okay, archaeologists have divided prehistoric stone tools into three main categories. आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट पुरातत्ववेत्ता ने प्रीहिस्टोरिक स्टोन टूल्स को तीन पार्ट में डिवाइड किया है: कोल्ड टूल्स, फ्लेक टूल्स एंड ब्लेड टूल्स। कोल्ड टूल्स वर palm size stones which were used for pounding, smashing and throwing. All subsequent tools emerged from cold tools. Flake tools were used especially for scarping and slitting. With time, early humans used new techniques to develop flake tools. Blade tools were the early forms of knives that we use today. These evolved into special tools such as arrows, spears and knives. Okay, so these are the different tools: cold tool, flake tools and blade tools. So this is the end of this part. Okay, thank you.